And we do have some breaking news tonight. Alec Baldwin's involuntary manslaughter trial in New Mexico has been dismissed with prejudice. It all came after the actor's defense team put forward a motion to throw out the case over disputed ammunition evidence. We're hearing tonight that one of the prosecutors in charge has since resigned. Manisa Danabalan joins us, and Manisa, set the scene inside the courtroom tonight.
Nicole, it was around 6 o'clock this evening that Alec Baldwin burst into tears and began hugging his lawyers. The judge dismissed the case with prejudice, which means it has been permanently dismissed. Here's the moment that pivotal decision was made.
Your motion to dismiss with prejudice is granted.
A dramatic end to day 3 of Alec Baldwin's trial. It all began with a surprise in court. The actor's lawyers filed a motion to throw out the case.
This case should be dismissed, Your Honor. This is over and over and over and over again. And Your Honor, you've given them a fair chance.
The defense argued that prosecutors hid evidence from them about the ammunition that may be related to the shooting death of cinematographer Helena Hutchins on the set of the film Rust in 2021. The defense said they should have had the ability to determine its importance, but the prosecution claims that the ammunition was not connected to the case and was not hidden.
Your Honor, there have been absolutely no violations of our obligations as prosecutors.
The issue came up Thursday on the second day of trial during defense questioning of Sheriff's crime scene technician Marissa Popple. Baldwin's lawyer Alex Spiro suggested with his questions that Popple and other authorities had been too cozy with the film's firearms supplier Seth Kenney and had insufficiently investigated whether he was responsible for the live bullets reaching the set. There has still not been a definitive determination on how the live rounds got on set, but prosecutors said photos found on the armorer Gutierrez Reed's cell phone point to her being responsible. She has already been convicted of involuntary manslaughter for her role in Hutchins' death. She was sentenced to 18 months in prison and is appealing her conviction. Special Prosecutor Carrie Morrissey established in her questioning that the source of the ammunition was Troy Tesk, a friend of the father of the film's armorer. Morrissey said the bullets were not the same size or chemical composition as the live rounds found on the Rust set, including the one that killed Hutchins. Later in the afternoon, the judge asked to hear testimony from that firearm supplier as part of a hearing on the motion to dismiss the case. Seth Kenney has not been charged with any wrongdoing, and police and prosecutors have said there is no evidence that he had any role in the live ammunition on the Rust set.
Sanction of dismissal is the only warranted remedy. The jury has been sworn, jeopardy has attached, and a mistrial would not be based upon manifest necessity. Further, the sanction of dismissal is warranted in this case. The state has repeatedly made representations to defense and to the court that they were compliant with all their discovery obligations. Despite their repeated representations, they have continued to fail to disclose critical evidence to the defendant. Brady and Harper are satisfied. Dismissal with prejudice is warranted.
But with that decision, Alec Baldwin walks away a free man. So to sum it up, the judge found that new evidence that emerged that had not been disclosed to the defense. It was unveiled that prosecutors hid evidence tied to the bullets in this case, and that's why Baldwin won't be tried again. A stunning turn of events, Nicole.